I'm Chris Wildeboer and my business is Balance Central. Over the last 3 months, I have been part of a workshop called Your Story, Your Voice, run by Simone de Haas. And I'm absolutely thrilled that I signed up to this workshop. I started this process knowing that I needed to refine my storytelling, but that was kind of all I knew. And I had not worked directly with Simone really prior to this workshop. What surprised me about this workshop was when I walked into that room, Simone has such a unique way of allowing every single person to be exactly where they're at. We had people in that workshop that were at the very beginning stages of storytelling, very beginning stages of even public speaking, to people who have been doing this for years, and everyone in between. And I'm one of the in-betweens. So what happened is that we were given structure in how to write a story and then how to speak a story. We have been given ways to engage with an audience. We have been had knowledge around stance and tone and pitch and a whole range of different ways that we can speak and express ourselves. And most importantly, from the heart. So thank you, Simone. I am so pleased that I did this workshop in the last 3 months and I can't wait for the next one. My name is Chris Wildeboer and my business is Balance Central.